Welcome back to Harborough Freight. Quality videos, lowest prices, and deals of the day. One are tomorrow. We went over that previous video, showing them here 25% off scanners and kits and $30 off that almost 5-foot pry bar, which is wild. Anyways, if you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. Hype the video if you have any hypes left. I don't have any left. Deal of the day 2 is out. So to give you some time to plan out whether you're going or not. So deal of the day 2, and there it is. There it is. I can't really zoom in more over there, but we got two deals of the day 2. We'll start off with coming 9/23, the titanium unlimited 200 professional multi-process welder with 120 and 240 volt input. Normally $800, $300 off. $300 off, and that does warrant getting out the calculator. So if we're saving $300 off of 800, 37% off. I think there's been deals where this is up to 40% off. Maybe I'm misremembering, but 37.5% off is absolutely ridiculous. So let's take a quick look at this. This is the titanium unlimited professional multi-process welder, 120 240 volt input, $800 normally, but you're gonna get it for $300 off. So you're gonna get it for $500. Save $300. It's a professional welder, handles MIG, TIG, and stick welding, dual voltage, weighs only 24 pounds, spool gun ready, no adapter, 90-day warranty. What else do you want? What else do you want? Almost 40% off. So it started off at $850. It's gone down in price to $800. And it's gone down and up since April of last year. It's been down to $700, but it went back up to $800 in April. Lowest that it's been is the $700 according to the ITC or regular coupons. So it going down to $500 is really good. Outside of, I'm pretty confident, we could look it up, but I'm pretty confident it was 40% off at one point, of 40% off all welders. But this is pretty close at 37.5%. It might as well be 40% off. 40% off the titanium welder. Next, 30% off all welding carts and cabinets. Maybe you get a welding cart or cabinet for your titanium welder that you're about to get. Welders and accessories sold separately, of course. And we'll just take a brief look at these. I believe there's 5. This is what came up when I searched welding cart, and it's just showing all the carts and cabinets. So this is everything. The most expensive one is this Vulcan at $400. But if you're saving 30%, you're going to get for $280, saving $120, which is no joke. And then 30% off of any of these other ones. Also a decent deal. But again, I've seen these go up to 40% off. But that was maybe sometime last year, earlier this year. But again, 30% is not something to scoff at. So we got our first deal of the day 1. Who's getting their icon tomorrow? Icon alert. Or who's getting their titanium or welding carts? 30% off. Or almost 40% off the welder. Anyways, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping, good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. As soon as deal of the day 3's out there and 4 and everything else, I'll get them to you. Appreciate everybody's support. And again, as soon as I have those deals, I will send them your way.